Hi, good morning everyone. Income tax paper 2. Income tax paper 2 is already studied that income, what is income, what is assessing, what is assessment year and previous year and financial year and assessee, and the next concept is income. Okay, income section 2 subsection 2a. Income, it means it is a terms of a income under the income tax includes both the concepts are including in income, the profit and gain of a business or a profession. The profit of a income, it is a business or profession. The profit of a income, business or profession is a income. And next one is concept is dividend income. Dividend is considering from a income, it is a dividend income. And next one, salary income. Income from salary will be considered from a is an income. And next one is allowances gain of the assessee is the employee. Employee, it means it is a consisting of a individual income is an income. And next one is winning from lotteries, card games and horse race and gamblings and other etc, betting etc, both the considered will be a income is an individual income. And another one is capital gain. Capital gain is also income and amount received under the key man of insurance policy. Key man of a insurance policy will be considered from a income. It is a section 2 subsection 2a. And next one is a gift received from individual by HUF and exceeding of rupees 25,000 on after 1/9/2004. 1/9/2004 in ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತ ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ಗಳನ್ನ under the head of it is a HUF. HUF, it means it is a considering a individual from up to rupees exceeding rupees 25,000. 25,000 exceeding ittu andre will be a consider HUF, Hindu undivided family. Gift from daughter ittu will not a taxable, it is a exemption. Gift from father, mother, co-relative or relative, both are the consider, and friends circle, and both are the relatives, both are the considered from the gift is an income exceeding 25,000 rupees on 1/4/2009. After 1/4/2009 will be a considered, sorry, 1/4/2004. After 1/4/2004, before will not consider, it is a exempted. And it is also considering from a income section 2 subsection 2a. It is the head of the income. And the next concept is a casual income. Casual income. Casual income, such a income receipts of with association and without any subscriber after it is a nature of an unaccepted income. For example, winning from card games, lotteries, horse race, gambling and betting, and both are the considering from a casual income. Casual income ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is not a income, it is a casual income. ಯಾವಾಗರ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವೆಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ casual income. Winning from card games, winning from lotteries, horse race, gambling and betting. If for example IPL ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ ನೀವು, IPL ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಸೀಸನ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, it is a income. IPL betting it is a income, it is a part only from 1 month. 1 month ಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಸೀಮಿತವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮಂತ್ ಗೆ ಅದನ್ನ will not consider. It is a casual income section 10 subsection 3. It is a casual income. And the next concept is agricultural income section 2 subsection 1a. It is the very important from agricultural income. From agricultural is exempted in India. Income from agricultural land in India is exempted. Okay, agricultural income in foreign in India, in Pakistan will be considered from a 50% is exempted, and remaining 50% will be a taxable under the head of the resident, non-resident and not ordinary resident will be considered. It is considering from a resident, not ordinary resident and a non-resident will considering a second chapter. Income from residential status will be considered from a residential status will be considering from agricultural income in a second chapter. And next one concept is it is the agricultural income. It is the reasons and exemption of agricultural income from controlling a taxation is that the consisting of in India any rent and revenue dividend land which is suited in India and must be used in agricultural purpose. For example, rural area and urban area. Rural area will be considering from a fully exemption and urban area is also exemption on the basis of the land for the purpose of agriculture will be considering from a exemption and other purpose will be a taxable. Land will be considering from agricultural purpose will be exemption. And next concept, land will be a urban area considering from other purpose it is a taxable. It is a taxable and used for agricultural operations means it is a insolvent employment of some human skills and get some income from a land. It is a land from income through the rural area will recovered on the basis of the agricultural income. And next one, any income dividend from any building and from house owned and occupied by the recovery of an rent and revenue of any such land subject to following of the conditions. The conditions will be occupied from a building must be occupied by the conveyantor. Conveyantor it means it is a consisting of the land. It must be on the land in the immediate of the land purpose of the business. It is based on the it is a taxable will be considered from agricultural income section 2 subsection 1a will be regarding with the most probability on the basis of the land of an agricultural. And another one is the conveyantor must be regarding as a storehouse and other out of the building. Storehouse it means it is the based on the income from agricultural will be a store or warehousing will be considered regarding with the taxable under the head of the income section 2 subsection 1a. And next one, the must be assessed to the land revenue and local rates. It is a land revenue and local rates will be considering regarding with the under the head of the section 2 subsection 1a will be considering from a exemption. It is not a taxable. And next one, if it is not assessed at land revenue and local rates must be stable and outside and urban area behalf of distance of 8 kilometers. It is a distance of 8 kilometers will be regarding from it is a taxable. For example, ಒಂದು ಏರಿಯಾವನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳ್ರಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿರಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ 8 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಮೋರ್ ದನ್ 8 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತು ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸೇಬಲ್. ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ 8 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 8 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಎಕ್ಸಂಪ್ಷನ್. It is a area of rural and urban will be considering from on the basis of the number of days, number of kilometers and number of working hours. Both are the considering from the head of the agricultural income section 2 subsection 1a. It is the very important from agricultural income. Agricultural income it is based on regarding with the section 2 subsection 1a. It must be exempted in India. ಯಾಕ ನಾವು ಭಾರತ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರಲ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸೆಂಪ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ